Hello everyone, welcome to the Fijian Investment Trader. My name is Mr. Singh. Let's go, it's bang, man. What a day! Because in the pre-market we previously closed at $39.99. In the pre-market we gapped up all the way high of $42.31. And before the market opened, we went high of $42.02. We came back all the way to 41, and then we were trying to make higher highs, and we kind of throughout the day we've been just trading sideways, and we're up for the day of $4 in five, sorry, 4.5%. We were up $1.62. That's a good gain, right? And why we expected that, mentioned in the previous video, we needed some pullback and stuffs to create higher highs, right? Before I'm going to talk more technical analysis on that, because there's some very key technical analysis for higher highs, right? The news that came out today, right, was XPeng passes Hong Kong listing hearing, right? Chinese electric company XPeng Motors passed the hearing as a dual primary listing Hong Kong exchange on Wednesday. JP Morgan, Bank of America Securities were the co-sponsors. These are the big company folks filing prospect for in HKEx, that's Hong Kong trading listing, right? That's like we have Nasdaq over here, right? What are they gaining, right? This is why are they doing it, right? Let's talk about this. Why are they listing in America, right? XPeng eyes 2 billion more capital as a key EV looms, right? XPeng needs to raise capital in Hong Kong while vastly expand a line of electric vehicles in the new EV market by end of year, right? And that's what's happened, right? Chinese base received a nod from Hong Kong initial offering. Wall Street regarded China's rival NIO, right? We know Tesla, NIO, and XPeng are the three main companies in EV, and then we have Li Auto, and then BYD. So XPeng IPO was listed last year in August, right? And they raised up to 1.5 billion and raised another 2.5 billion following offering in December, right? So we know they have things lined up. XPeng in 2004, XPeng expects to line up 7 to 8 models, folks. 7 to 8 models, 7 to 8 models, right, of vehicle that are in 2024. So they have more designs, more vehicles are come, right? Let's talk about the XPeng's electric car deliveries from 2018 to 12,000 to 12,728, and now it's 27,000, right? They're increasing rapidly like other EV companies compared to Tesla and NIO, right? This company is no joke, folks. I am telling you right now, this company is also no joke. I know there's a lot of companies coming with the EV and they are at different stages. NIO and NIO and XPeng are in the same category of expanding to a different level, right? With XPeng, they have more variety of vehicles are lined up to coming in, right, by 2024. As of March 31st, 2020, XPeng had 6,132 employees, right? Employees in China and in the United States, folks. This company is also looking to come into the United States. 38% were focused on RD, while 62%, 16%, and 16% were dedicated on vehicle design, and autonomous driving operating system. So this is where they're looking at. This company is growing rapidly at a faster pace, right? Sorry, I skipped one more key area that was XPeng delivery vehicle over 5,174 smart vehicles in April and 5,686 in May in 2021, right? And 15,000 to 16,000 in May 2021 is expected to be delivered in the second quarter of 2021. Folks, they're growing rapidly, right? I just want to keep you guys, they're manufacturing cars at a higher level and they're delivering it, right? There's a demand for XPeng vehicle also massively on the market, right? I have another news, but I'm just talk about some technical terms, right? What are we looking at, folks? We talked about this rally all the way up, right? And I mentioned my price video. Don't sleep on it. When we came all the way high at 45, that we will have a pullback. It is a healthy pullback. We needed to retest. We needed it because our RSI were oversold and was barely any room to move. We needed this pullback, and we are at a 57.90 level, and we have a high up to go to 70 and beyond, right? So now we have room to move way up to our moving averages, right? I'm on the chart. Sorry, forgot to mention on the year to date, 1 day, right? So we have a lot of room to run now. Our pink line moving average is 200-day moving average, 60-day moving average, and 20-day moving. They're all lined for bull pattern. I'm gonna say one more time. It is a full bull pattern right now, but this kind of pullback we need. The last time we had from 43 all the way back to 38, we created another high. We pull back, we created a high, right? Let's talk about another news, right? XPeng announces 3-year partnership with NBA China, right? NBA China is growing up company. It's basketball. It's coming up in China, and it's a lot of demand. There's a lot of fans based in China, right? For the NBA, right? So that's something the company is marketing. This is a huge market where the company it can promote their vehicles and the lifestyle they are creating it, right? So XPeng will enter 3-year partnership with NBA, announces in the future legitimate fans event. XPeng will kick off innovative marketing plans around the ski events, including NBA 3X, and will be deeply involved as the official marketing partner of the company. We welcome XPeng to the NBA family, says my ex-employee. Sorry, I cannot pronounce the name of the CEO of NBA China, right? So that's something, it's a good form of marketing their brand into a big sportsman company, getting involved in, right? People are going to start seeing it. Who's this XPeng company? What is this about? A new car? The XPeng car? We know NIO, we know about Tesla. What is this company is about? So it's a good marketing brand getting involved into NBA China, right? Let's talk about how we're gonna do the next moving weeks coming ahead, folks. So 1 month, right? We have these pulls. We have been having these pulls and creating higher highs. Pink line, 200-day moving average, 60-day. Every time we came close 60-day right now, we a breakthrough. We broke through the 60-day moving average, and then we came back, tested. We gapped up in the morning, folks. Yesterday we were trading below the 60-day moving average. Today we gapped up, and we came back a little bit on the support level at $40. So I'm gonna draw another key resistance. We need to keep an eye moving forward. Will be at $41 and 12 cents. We need to keep an eye. We'll see if it's going to act as a support level moving forward. I am full confident that it will act as a support level, and we're going to break out. I'm going to change this back to our resistance. We acted as a support now. Now we broke the resistance, now acted as support. Now we're going to go back and have it as a resistance level. So the next resistance going back at $43.36 and then $46.80, right? What we looking, right? What are we looking definitely for moving forward for the next months or end of year, right? I can say my previous, I can see this stock over $75 end of this year. I'm still gonna stick with this plan because it's creating higher highs and higher lows. The fundamental great news coming in, the New York listing, the day of the New York listing, New York listing, the day of Hong Kong listing gets announced. Just be careful how it is going to be. It might be very high volatile, and it's going to have a lot of push on the market to create a higher highs, right? It can have a down effect too. So we just have to wait and see how this is going to play out when the listing date is announced, right? So far on the technical, we are definitely on a solid uptrend, right? We are uptrend. We were having this uptrend. We pulled through. We broke out to this uptrend. We broke out to this uptrend, and then we are coming back to an up moving higher highs, right? So we'll see. We just have to focus on 43.36 to see if it breaks out and continue that pattern over and over. We gapped up in the morning, so we kept up really high from all the way from 39.39 all the way to $42.02 today. So overall, MACD, finally I can see some selling pressure. It's getting like all the selling is over. Now we're seeing a lot of uptrend on the 1 month 4-hour time frame, right? This is all showing a potential reverse coming up. So I know we were in uptrend, but the potential reverse for the 1 month, we are also seeing a potential reverse coming up, right? Year to date, quickly go back. We needed this RSI cool off. Buying has slowed down because we had the sell off coming up for the couple of days. So we expected that, but I can expect go back, and again we'll see another green, all these green candles coming back again and pushing it to 45.75 to 46.80, right? So hey folks, that's all I have for today. Some great news with the MBA, China MBA inclusion, New York listing, and then 2024 they're looking about 7 to 8 models of XPeng vehicles, different models. So that's some very key news for this company and for the growth. That's the thing, the growth, right? And once they announce each vehicle models and each stages, the stock is going to be get driven higher. Depends on the news come in. Sometimes the news comes in, doesn't factor in. It takes a while to factor in to move the stock price, right? So that's all I have, folks. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. It helps the channel a lot, so you guys can be constantly updated on XPeng, right? So thank you very much and have a good day.